Welcome to my first YouTube video. So I'm just going to be showing some ITIP extensions. Please follow me on all my social media. That's the address to Salon, and that's yours truly. I just wanted to show you what's up. So I always start with hair. I give it a good trim up. Make sure you're nice and ready for extensions. Here's my beautiful install. Ooh, I'm so in love with it. It goes into a ponytail, side part, middle part, and that perfect ponytail that we all love. Here's me styling, just in my element. Luckily, my best friend was there to record. I'm jamming too. I was so in love with that install. Just had to show you the bust down real quick. And there it is, all finished. Yes. Thank you everybody for watching. I'd like to give a shout out to my baby, Young Quan, for the beat. He's super raw. Thank you, son.